What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. We got some parts in for the vet. I believe this is the rest of the kit for the Supercharger that I went with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a unboxing. I already had the first 2 boxes in the house that I did check already, so those 2 have been opened already. But this one I have yet to open, and I feel like there's a lot of parts in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on the camera, and go ahead and show you guys the rest of the kit of what I got. All right, man, here it is. Let me go ahead and slice this thing open. Try to get as many of these pieces of tape as I can off. Get this thing open. It seemed like some things were kind of thrown around in here, so hopefully nothing's broken or we didn't lose any parts. God damn. All right, maybe we can pull it off from here. So I did get this big section off, so the box should be able to open now. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hint. Here's some GM genuine parts in this kit, so that should let you know which Supercharger I went with. And I have a few little odds and ends I want to tell you guys of why I decided to go with this, but seems like there's a lot in here. There's quite a bit of things in here, so let me go ahead and flip this box open. All right, guys, now this is pretty cool. I actually found an instruction booklet in here. I guess it pretty much goes through how to install the kit and everything on here. It's pretty crazy. I mean, it's nice. It tells you what spark plugs you would like to use, things like that. It's a pretty thick package. Shows you where the hose is and everything goes. All right, man, I did this for you guys. I went and grabbed the other boxes from inside the house and put everything together, man. This is a pretty big kit. I'm kind of upset that I'm still missing one major piece, is the intake. They didn't send an intake, which annoys me because they showed an intake in the picture of the the site that I ordered. I think it's TSP Motorsports. Good company, seen they have good reviews and stuff like that, so I decided to order a Supercharger kit from them. And I know I got on their nerves, man. I got on their ass, dude, because I got 2 packages the first 2 weeks, right? I ordered the kit, and I think like about 2.5 weeks, these 2 boxes came in. This box right here and this box right here. Now, when you see a picture online of the Supercharger intake, a belt, some hoses and everything right there, and they're advertising that, you'd expect that to come in when you order your package, at least those parts that they're advertising on the site. So I ordered my first the package, and then the first box I opened is this box right here. Now when I opened the box, the only thing that was in here was this. We've got a cooler, a reservoir, and like 3 hoses, and that was the only thing inside of this box when I got my first package. Now, of course, I'm gonna be highly upset because from a company that you've never ordered something from before, and you get a package, you're excited, you got a Supercharger coming in, and you open it up and there's 3 hoses and a fucking reservoir, you're gonna be highly upset. So I was just like, what the fuck is this? Where's the rest of my stuff? So here's the holy grail. This next box, we have a brand new LT4 blower, guys. Brand new. So I did go with the LT4 blower. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over a couple things of why I went with this blower. I did want to keep the car like an OEM type look. The ProCharger gets loud, it kind of gives everything away. It's pretty wild. They make about the same power, honestly. The only thing that I did like about this one though is that with the LT4 blower, I can port the blower, I can easily change the pulleys, I can port the snout, a couple things like that. Pretty easy. There's a couple of modifications that you could do to the blower, and you can make a max effort LT4 blower car pretty easily, without having to make any crazy changes or anything like that. So let's get started on what came in the box. So right off the bat, we've got the NGK Iridium spark plugs. These are for boost applications. It's funny because I was looking up spark plugs that I was going to need to buy, and they actually sent them in the kit. So I really appreciate that one. That is an excellent additive, so I appreciate that from TSP Motorsports. They did good on that one. They provide a Gates belt, so you get the green belt, man. And these things are kind of hard to get sometimes, man. They're always on back order, stuff like that. and it's cool to have a green belt with the Supercharger. I was trying to get this on the CTSV. Whenever I did the upgrades on the CTSV, I was trying to get a Gates belt, but I ended up getting a Gates belt, but it was a black belt instead of the green one. I couldn't find the green one. Nothing special really about the green one. It's just, you know, it looks better up front. So let's start up here. We do have a tensioner. Got some pulleys. So they send you, all the pulleys that you need. Get out of the damn box. Sheesh. All right, so they send you all the pulleys that you need. So we can go ahead and put these pulleys back in the box. Let's go down the list on the rest of the parts we have. We have a Varimax pump right here. I'm not 100% sure exactly what this is. I do know it's some sort of pump that is definitely needed. So I'll go ahead and throw that in there. We do have gaskets. I believe these are the gaskets that either go on the bottom of the Supercharger kit. Some of them may go on the pump. You do know that we do have to add. So here's the kit that you will definitely need. So if you decide to go with an LT4 blower on your LT1, you will need this kit right here. And these are like adapter plates to mount the blower to the top of your head, stuff like that. So you will definitely need these right here. That's cool. They tell you driver's side right there. And it comes with new bolts and everything. The gaskets, little O-rings right there that you'll need. This is like an important part right here in order to even mount the blower onto your car. So you'll definitely need that. So we did get the harness. So this has like the MAF TPS harness, everything you'll need. This is a important factor right here that you would definitely need for the kit. Back in the box. And then here we go with the tensioners. So this goes in the front. You have to remove the one from the LT1 and install this one from the LT4. And I don't want to take too much out of the box, out of the packaging. I kind of want to wait until I get ready to install it. It also keeps it safe in the box when I place it back in here. So excuse me for not taking it out of the actual packaging. I kind of want to keep everything packaged up so that nothing gets damaged. All right, let's throw these hoses back in here. So these are some vacuum lines. I believe this one has a sensor on it right here. So definitely need these. Throw these in here. And then here's some pump bolts. I'm glad they marked it. They kind of tell you right there exactly what these are. In this box here, we have the LT4 valley cover. So you will take the one off the LT1 and you will replace it with this one. So this will be the LT4 valley cover. So when you take off the intake manifold on the LT1, right underneath it, this is where this will go, right in the middle, right under it. You will take the one off the LT1 and place this right in its place. So keep that safe. We'll go ahead and put that one up. All right, we're getting to the finish of it. Here's a fuel line that I definitely think is needed. Here's like a map sensor of some sort. Let's see exactly, see exactly which one this is. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure it's like a map sensor or something. And here's like a crank bolt, something like that. This bolt was actually in my cam kit, and I wasn't able to use the bolt that came in the cam kit, and I'm pretty sure it's this exact same bolt. And it was probably needed for the LT4 parts. So I probably do have an extra one of these from my cam kit that I did order. And here's like a bracket plate. So I think this one piece up here that I didn't pretty much know about, I believe this is like a fascia for the cooler for like the transmission or like the little pump. So basically for this, I'm pretty sure this like sits in here somehow like that, and then you get all the lines connected to it. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I'm like 95% sure exactly what that is, because there's no other reason for this. That's pretty much it. And there we have it, guys. Man, we got the full LT4 blower kit in. The only thing that I see is missing is an intake and maybe a couple things, throttle body type stuff, a little extra couple things that I see that might be missing. The only major thing that I really wish they would have sent is LT4 injectors. That's like the main thing that I was hoping for that would come in the kit. Since you guys know that my car does have cam, E85, stuff like that, I know when I put this blower on here, the fuel system is gonna have to be upgraded. So I was hoping and praying that they sent LT4 injectors, but I'm assuming that didn't come in the kit. But I know for sure there's supposed to be an intake here, and it's not. And that was shown in you know, the post of the package. So there's a couple things that I see that aren't in here, and you know, so I have to message them. Once again, it was TSP Motorsports. So there we go, guys. We got a LT4 blower kit for the C7. Now, if I'm being honest, I 100% did want to go with a Procharger kit. I really did. I wanted to go with a Procharger kit. The only thing, the issue was the company that I was ordering from told me that the Procharger kit was on back order from the company that I wanted to get it from. I believe I was gonna go with an A&A Procharger kit. Shit, I'm about to fucking fall over these parts. But that one wasn't gonna ship out until late November. So it's what, November 5th or 6th today, something like that. The kit wouldn't have shipped out until like the middle of November, and that's shipped out. So I probably wouldn't even got it until maybe around end of November or early December. So I was like, no, you know what? I was like, honestly, I wanted to keep it, you know, OEM type look anyways. I wanted to keep it, you know, kind of sleeperish type look. I wanted to be quiet a little bit. I mean, you might hear some whine, something like that. But I wanted to keep it, you know, kind of low. So I wanted to go with the LT4 blower. Plus, it was going to ship faster. Like I said, I think 2 weeks I got the blower and those hoses. And then it took another 2.5 weeks or so, and I got the rest of the kit. Like I said, I'm still missing that intake though that I did see on the post, and it's not in this kit. So I'll have to definitely message the company and request that or ask them about that. Thing is about to become a beast, man. This is already looking good. Look at those colors flipping, man. It's about to get some more power added to it, and then I think I'll pretty much be done after I add the Supercharger kit to it. I don't really want to do too much else to it, man. There's really no point. I feel like at that point it'll be pretty much what you need it to be. And then, like I said, if anything, the blower could be ported. You know, there's extra porting and stuff that could be done to make more power if needed. But I'm not trying to go anything crazy because, like I said, you know, the LT1s have a good limit on the block as far as power wise, and I don't want to go too crazy without drop-in piston set. I was looking into a drop-in piston kit for it, but I just haven't decided on that because I don't think I want to do all of that right now. The kit alone was already expensive for this thing. So then I just got some new tires, you know, for the workmobile, the daily. And then you know, I had to get that bodywork fixed on the other side. You guys didn't know. Did have to get that big ding knocked out on this side, so got that taken care of so we don't have a huge dent on the side anymore. But stuff like that, man, it hinders the pockets. I know for sure I'm gonna have to buy LT4 injectors. I'm gonna look into the high side fuel pump for the C7. It's pretty crazy on the C7. It's pretty easy to change. It's actually where I was explaining the valley cover to you guys, right under the intake manifold. When you pull it off, most of your fuel system for the C7 is right there, located right there. You don't have to go in the back and take tanks down. You don't have to do all that extra stuff. It's direct injection, so I mean, you know, injectors are a little bit different than a regular LS. So I mean, they're more expensive, I feel like. I was looking up injectors for the LT4, and I think a full set of 8 was like $700, almost $800 for the injectors. So that's why I was really hoping that they came in the kit. That would save me a lot of headache. But now I think I'm gonna have to look up injectors, mainly because, you know, I got the cam, E85, stuff like that. If you guys have a stock C7 with nothing done to it and you order this kit, I think you can use your same injectors and you should be perfectly fine. You just need to get a tune, and you would just be limited to a certain amount of boost, and you probably won't be able to boost up until you get, you know, added fuel system. So, but of course, you know, with me, I already got the cam. So, and then another thing is with the cam on a C7, you actually, when you order your cam, it adds for a fuel load percentage to add, so that the cam, you know, will draw more fuel and stuff like that. Now, I did add a 10% add on a fuel load. There was an option for 32%, which I should have got since I knew I was gonna go with the Supercharger. But at the same time, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of doubting myself. I was like, man, it's kind of expensive. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the Supercharger, stuff like that. But with some help, on my birthday, you know, I was able to get the Supercharger kit, and it's in. And now, you know, I gotta go to the fuel system. I want to make sure that everything is right, because honestly, if your fuel system isn't good on something like this, that's where, you know, your problems could occur and you blow something. because you run lean, you not have enough fuel, boom, something blows. You run rich, you can burn something up, stuff like that. So but I'm excited, man. We got everything in. I appreciate all you guys tuning in and liking the videos, following the videos. I've been trying to stay pretty busy, so sorry I haven't been able to upload every on time every day or stuff like that. I try to get an upload at least once a week and try to stay on top of things, stuff like that. But life happens. We got stuff to do outside of YouTube. But I do want to link up and probably meet with a lot of the YouTubers and stuff like that. So I'll probably arrange a meetup or something like that. So, but if you have made it to the end of this video, I know I said at 4.5k subscribers or something like that, I was going to give a harmonic or a pulley for a CTSV away. So I'm going to go ahead and start the giveaway now. I'm going to go ahead and give away a 9.55 lower Metco pulley for a CTSV, LSAs, or a ZL1. Any of the subscribers, you need that. You can throw it on your V. It'll add you a good amount of boost, and you can make good power with that too. So, or if you don't need the pulley, I'll be probably coming up with something else like I did with the last giveaway. I gave away a Chemical Guys detailing kit bucket, and I met up with the subscriber, and he pretty much enjoyed it. So because I know I got a lot of CTSV owners on here and people that are buying new CTSVs, and message me on Instagram, and congratulations to you guys. I really I'm excited for that, and I'm looking forward to you guys mods and send me what you guys come up with. And but I will be giving away the 9.55 Metco lower pulley for CTSV. It adds boost. It gets you up there. You can, even on a stock application, if you don't have too many mods, you can throw it on there, and it'll still get you a good boost. You might want to get a retune for it, and you can make some good power with it. But hit that like, subscribe button. We got a Hellcat coming down the street, actually, pretty nice. I've seen this Hellcat like twice already. But yeah, man, hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate the support. Stay tuned in. Now I'm gonna have to find out getting the kit installed. So now we got to get the kit installed on the C7, which is some more money, because I can't do it here at home. I don't have enough space for that, and I definitely don't have enough tools right now to do any of that. I need some sponsors, man. Damn, I need some sponsors, bro. If y'all know any sponsors that would help a boy out, man, y'all know I do good cars. I'm always, trying to make these crazy cars out here. And if somebody would sponsor your boy and help your boy out with some, some work or something, like little parts or something, I don't know. I always like advertising new businesses and helping businesses out. So big shout out to TSP Motorsports, or I believe that's what it is. It's either TSP or TPS Motorsports, for sending out the kit. I know I did get on their fucking nerves. I did, and even though I'm still missing a part. So with that being said, stay tuned for the giveaway. All you have to do is message me on Instagram and say I'm in, and leave a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You have to be subscribed in order to win. It doesn't have to be the pulley for the CTSV. It'll be something else also. If you don't need it, maybe you may not have a V or LSA or a ZL1, something like that, I'll come up with a basket or something to give away. So either way, you're gonna win something. You don't have to have a V to win. It's just a giveaway. So go ahead and enter it by message me on Instagram, say I'm in, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, man.